What you can also do is easily draw out things inside of your mural as well. So on the left side, you can see draw is an option. And once you click on this, you can freely draw around the board. Simply click and drag around, and there you go. You can draw whatever you like. Once the drawing is done, you can press done drawing, and the drawing will come up over here as an object, and you can resize this right here. You can rotate this around over here as well, and over here you can also change around the stroke color so that whatever drawing you have, you can actually change the color of it as well. You can go around and then, let's say for example, make drawing by clicking on the draw button right here, and then let's say for example, select fine drawing tool as well. So fine is much more finer. You can see that this is thin, and over here there's medium option over here as well. There's also a highlighter option just like this, which draws something transparent, and eraser is there, which allows you to click and drag and erase out the drawings, as you can see right here. You can also choose around the color of the drawing. Let's say for example, I can go around with the highlighter. I can go around, choose the color right here just like this. I can go around over here and choose this, and this is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to press done, then this is what I have. So I can click over here and I can resize this, as you can see, and you can also change the color from over here, but you can see that it applies it to all of the drawing that you see just like this. And that is how you can work around with the draw option inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.